I just want to take a moment to speak directly to Texans who've used ivermectin, advocated for its access, and gotten this bill in front of this committee today. I don't like the way that I've heard some of my colleagues talk to y'all about you in this process. I too feel as if we have been abjectly failed by Big Pharma, by the opioid epidemic, and by the vertical integration of healthcare, and by the perverse incentives of corporate insurance companies. We as a state have so far to go, so much to do to rebuild robust public health systems, rebuild rural networks of care, and importantly, to reclaim trust by ridding our airwaves and our lives from snake oil salesmen and big money grifters. It is with the utmost compassion and the experience of a nurse, not even a doctor, a nurse, somebody at the bedside who knows how important it is to listen to a person's story, to study anecdotal trends for potentially life-saving interventions, and to sound the alarm to the higher-ups when something is going on. It is as a nurse that listens closely and cares about people that I respectfully express concern with the widespread use of ivermectin as a cure-all, rather than as a single but important piece of a larger pharmacological fabric. Ivermectin, when prescribed by a doctor, is taken at human doses, is safe. I won't dispute that. Ivermectin is FDA approved for certain uses, but it is not safe or effective as a cure-all for COVID, cancer, dementia, or the flu. It can cause serious side effects like neurological problems and dangerous drug interactions with common meds like blood thinners, and it can even be fatal in high doses. And glutamate-gated chloride channels, the biological mechanism of ivermectin, only exist in invertebrate cells. These don't exist in viruses or in bacteria. And I don't like the shady influencers, gray market pharmacies, and pharmaceutical manufacturers are once again making money off of your fear and your illnesses. During the pandemic, some groups made tens of millions of dollars through false promises and ivermectin schemes. Online pharmacies mark up ivermectin by 2,400%, while influencers get paid to promote it through discount codes and sponsorships. One network alone extracted $15 million from vulnerable patients in just 3 months. I fear we're not exactly charting a new path for medical liberty here when we're talking about replicating the exact same issues within the existing system, preying on fear, profiting from rural access isolation, and selling cures with pharmaceutical advertising. Expanding retail access to proven safe therapeutic interventions is good and a goal worthy of our time. Expanding rural healthcare coverage is a goal worthy of our time. Listening to patients and studying trends is absolutely a goal worthy of our time. But rushing legislation or basing it on trends that have obscure origins and that could legitimize unsafe and unsupervised consumption is not a goal worthy of our time. And I hope my colleagues in all of our communities can understand my position when I vote no. Thank you.